So when we think about organizations, we think about leaders, we think about the context or the environment, and we think about followers. And together, these three determine what leadership looks like within your organization. We can use this same framework to think about how you can view inclusion through an organization. With contextual factors or environmental factors being what supports an environment of inclusion. We can look at leaders and how they model behaviors, inclusive behaviors, behaviors that can help people feel included. And then we can look at the individual level to see if that context and those leader behaviors are actually impacting perceptions of inclusion. So if we think about the individual level, so those individual level perceptions of inclusion, we can think about two opposing needs that both need to be met. The first is belonging. So belonging refers to the need to develop and maintain strong relationships and social ties within your organization. It's rooted in social identification theory and suggests that people need to be able to connect. And when they connect, that aligns part of their individual self-concept with their group identity. And that's vital to inclusion, is that feeling of belonging and feeling of belonging with your work group. Uniqueness is the opposing side and is built off of optimal distinctiveness theory. And that refers to the need to be true to your identity, true to one's individual identity. And that is essentially bringing your authentic self to work, understanding and feeling as though you are valued for your unique contributions. Inclusion occurs when you're able to leverage this paradox within work such that you have perceptions of belonging and you also believe that you're able to bring your authentic self to work, and that there's this learning and integration perspective where individual unique contributions are valued. So when we think about inclusion and how we want to tackle inclusion within the workspace, we need to remember that we need to think both about belonging and establishing those feelings of belongingness, but we also have to focus on individuals' unique personalities and unique perspectives that they're going to be bringing.